Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. So you're seeing me in the same clothes because I'm filming on the same day another separate video, and this one is going to be it's kind of like cleaning my house, but I'm really going to be focusing on removing like dog odor from my house. Y'all know I have a dog. I once at one point had two. Now we only have one, and I'm kind of battling. As much as I love having a pet, I'm one of those people, I don't like having the scent of a pet in my house. And it sounds kind of crazy because when you think of dogs, you always kind of think that they can stink. I mean, I've got like puppy spray and various things that I've used, but I don't know, like the shampoo that we used recently on him, just I don't feel like it's doing its job. So we need to shop for something else. If y'all know anything about any other kind of pet odor stuff that I can use to help eliminate dog odor from my dog, let me know below. But I'm going to show you what I use today to help remove pet odor from my home, and that is the focus at this current moment. I'm going to show you the products that I use, and then I'm going to kind of show you my routine to kind of remove any kind of pet odor. I don't have a oh, my dog, yeah, he was not supposed to be shedding, but he does shed a little bit. So he's like a poodle. We were told from the breeder that he was like a solid poodle, but clearly he is not that. He is actually what we think is a cockapoo. We looked it up. We looked up all the dogs that aligned with him, and he looks the closest to that breed. He sheds a little bit, and that's annoying because the whole point of getting a poodle was to kind of eliminate the shedding, to avoid the shedding dog, and we have that, which is, it's just another thing to have to worry about. But on top of it comes like odors with having pets. Never mind their dog breath, never mind their breath stinking. Oh my gosh, but the fact that they can stink is just, you know, yeah. Benji just got a haircut the other day. Aaron shaved him. We invested in like a really good shear so we could shave him ourselves, because it was like a $100, something along the lines, or really close to that, just to get him a shave, just a basic shave for just him alone. So we kind of cut down our pet budget for the year by just investing into these clippers, and now we clip our dog ourselves. That being said, I don't know, like, I guess just the going in and coming in out of the house, he can bring in just like funk, and I just hate that. It's just gross. So I had this one friend who had a dog, and every time she took the dog out for a walk, she literally washed their paws like immediately. I can't say I do that, but the average person does not do that all the time. That's a lot of work. But that said, I have to keep my floors clean. I've got a baby, and not to mention whenever after a while, like if you don't clean it, like the odor of the pet will start to permeate the air, and I don't like that. I'm in my living room where the carpet resides, and I'm going to pick up around because I'm gonna have to vacuum the carpet, but I'm gonna have to clean it. And so I'm gonna show you what I do to eliminate the pet odor, and then I'm gonna show you the floors. Don't forget to give today's video a big like, a big thumbs up, turn on your notification bell so you know when your girl is uploading on this channel. Okay, so on with the rest of the vlog. So guys, these are the products that I'm using. I'm going to be using this OxiClean Arm & Hammer pet freshener, which you guys are going to see what I'm going to do. I'm going to sprinkle it all over my rug. I'm going to be using this all-purpose surface cleaner. I kind of use this to spritz the air and spritz my curtains. It's by Farmhouse. I had one that's like just a linen spray as well, specifically, and this one I kind of use as that too. But they are so good. They smell so good, and they help to freshen up your house. So I'm going to go ahead and use that. And the Myers cleaner, it just does the same thing. Love Meg uses this all the time. She's the one that got me hooked on these. And the cool thing is, these are in stores. When she first started using them in all her cleaning videos, I thought they were going to be like super expensive or hard to come by. But these babies are relatively inexpensive inside like Canadian Tire and stores like that. So even Zehrs in Canada. So these are like my go-to. And then I'm gonna also whip up my Swiffer. So watch and see what I do. Sorry if I'm not making cleaning look pretty, guys, but this is real life. My pants are super ratty, but they are my favorite, and they honestly are so comfy. I can't wait to find another replacement pair. But anyways, I, came over to the other side of my formal sitting area, made sure I vacuumed over here thoroughly. This is the area where we chill a lot as well. It's not our family room, but we do actually utilize this room a lot. I wanted to make sure I did a thorough job in vacuuming because even though my pet doesn't necessarily come on this side of the house because of the carpet, it still doesn't matter because we walk throughout the house and we do traffic things everywhere. So it's just important to make sure I try my best to get like the dog hair or just any kind of odor out of the rug. So about this area, this area can use a lot of TLC. You're gonna see a basket that I have in a corner coming up that is just being used to collect all the things that I'm trying to get out of my house that I'm no longer using because of my new minimalist journey. I am just trying to maintain like a cleaner house and just less clutter. So guys, I just finished cleaning my floors. The product that I used was this Swiffer, what do you call it? Swiffer wet mopping cloths. I like this. I like the smell of it. I did prefer, just a second, baby. I do actually have this, so I'm using the regular Swiffer mop and it does have like a Swiffer spray, but I don't like that mixed with the odor that I'm trying to eliminate. I find that it just doesn't remove it. So this scent actually does. I end up having this package comes with 24. I did have to use 3 to clean my whole floors. And I mean, I don't know if the floor area is really that big. It's to cover all of here, through here, here, here. I guess it is kind of a large space. I used 3 to cover most of it. So, of course, the last thing I need to do is to just walk around the house and freshen it up using my linen sprays. Sometimes I create my own mixture using just like peppermint oil and a dash of water. Well, not a dash of water, actually, a lot of water. And it will help to just kind of freshen things up, including the dog bed, especially the dog bed. But as you can see, my dog is currently lying in his bed, so it can't be cleaned at the current moment or freshened up. But that is like a key area that you want to spray. Some dogs may not like that too, because you know how they are like very territorial of their space and they like to have their odors all over it. But it's just something that we have to do in order to accommodate them in our living spaces. So that's what I'm doing. So that's it for today's video, guys. That's just me doing a little bit of a cleanup. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you guys do. For those of you who have pets, what do you do to eliminate the odors? And share what you do use below. I would love to try your tips and tricks because I'm sure there are probably other solutions out there to what I'm using. I'd love to hear it in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and also turn on your notification bells as I mentioned before. Thanks for watching, guys, and much love. Bye.